Hi guys, come to me when playing a custom level. This is insane. I have 10 flags. This is gonna be not in TikTok because it's gonna take a long time. I am so sorry because TikTok can only handle 6 minutes or 10 minutes. Or I will just upload this in TikTok if makaya nang mag. For all of y'all that is playing PvZ Fusion, I will show you how to make your own custom level. And I'm gonna show you this cheat. It's so good. Damn! No! Damn! Damn! No, man. So let's restart because that was a lot of level editor. This is my tutorial. So how to make multi-planting, you just 1, 2, 3, 4 this. And how to get plants that you confuse with, like a lot of it. You press that. Okay. Just once. And you can set flags. I just want to do 9. No, not 9. Yeah, just 1. What I'm changing it. Just 5. And after you set all of it, you can set the zombies. I will not set. They're too hard. The damage is insane. You can pick anyone. The toughest one is this. Because they have the trident. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Michael Jackson zombie. And how to change your map to 6 lane. You see change scene, you press that 1, 2, 3, 4 until you see day. After that, just 1 clicks. When you see 6 lane day, you just have to press save level on the bottom of change scene. Then go to main menu. Then challenge and mini games, custom level, accept. Then pick one of your plants. I think I'll pick these. And you also have unique plants. No shroom. Then boom. It's just there's a cooldown for sure. No! I am cooked. The Michael Jackson is too OP. Yeah, damn. I'm just now, since we just lose, I'm now gonna show you how to get all of the plants. Not all of them. You go to settings at the bottom, right tapos in the bottom. You press complete all levels. That's it. Then how do I find the you go to like how to go to like no cooldown. You go here, mini games, then the first, then that. That's and how to return, just press at the key again and come back, press the key again. Then I'm just checking what is this. Is this? Nah. Should I sell it? I will get money. The hell do I get money? What's this? Yeah, what is this? I have no clue what am I doing. Okay. What is this? See, water. Water. And what you want? And they were singing. Boy, it's just a market. Okay. Damn. They have a lot of things to purchase. How much are they? Damn. They are not that cheap. Damn. Y'all ain't making me happy. Y'all guys ain't cheap. No, I cannot afford to choose Zilla. This is the epic fusions. Damn. Yeah, this is the most epic one. Which is this. Damn. Damn. You're about to make me grind for 2 million years just to bought this. And just get scammed. Like, what the hell? That's it. So this is very powerful. Because if you just kill a zombie, it will become your ally. That's it. Bye bye. See you next time.